Good morning, viewers. This is Fumi Falana. This is your program, Know Your Right, our weekly program, Women Empowerment and Legal Aid. On this program, we always tell you about your rights, the things that you can claim under the laws of this country, the rights that are accrued to you under the laws of Nigeria. And today, we'll be looking again at domestic violence. But specifically, we'll be talking about non-provision of socioeconomic needs. Just like I said, domestic violence is any act of a person that causes the other person injury or causes the other person hurt or pressure or discomfort. Any of such action of the other person will amount to domestic violence against the other person. So in a home, and if it happens in a home, it becomes domestic violence. If it is in the society, we say it is violence in the society. Now, we're talking about a situation where a parent refuses to provide socioeconomic needs unto the unto the child. Here we are talking about non-provision of socioeconomic needs in the family by the parents to the children of the home or dependents, whichever the case may be. I am saying any act of such will amount to domestic violence. Now, talking about socioeconomic needs, we are talking about shelter, we are talking about clothing, we are talking about Medicare. Of course, we are talking about food, and we are also talking about peace in the home that will make you have access to good and peaceable environment in the family. So all this will amount to socioeconomic needs. They are expected to be provided by the parents to the children of the home or his dependents. And we are saying where a parent does not provide this, that parent is committing an act of domestic violence. Now listen to me. In the home, it is the duty of the father to provide the socioeconomic needs to both the wife and the children. Of course, where the wife is working and the wife should work, we also encourage women to find something to do. You are also expected to support the father in the home. So your inability to send your child to school is an act of domestic violence. Your non-provision of food or your non-provision of access to education, non-provision of good food, Medicare, shelter, clothing in the home will amount to acts of domestic violence. I am saying where a father refuses to take care of the family, any member of that family that is entitled to such duties, to such rights from the father that has the duty to so provide, can go to court. You can go to court against that man that has refused to provide for you as a wife in the home or to the children of the family. So where the father abandons his responsibility, his duties in the home, you have the right of a day in court. I therefore want to remind you that if you are passing through any act of domestic violence, your father or your parents abandoned you or your husband abandoned you and the children without taking care of you, please speak out. You have the right of a day in court. You can contact any non-governmental organization or you contact Women Empowerment and Legal Aid. Your right is your right. Let no one violate your right. When anybody violates your right or is likely to violate your right, please do not keep quiet, speak out. And therefore, I want to remind you that women's rights are human rights. Any act of domestic violence remains a crime in Nigeria. Please stay away from domestic violence. Until next week, I want to wish you a wonderful day at work, and I say God bless you.